It's a 2018 Honda Civic hatchback. It was thoughtfully designed, yet is rebellious by nature, creating an energetic and unmistakable drive. And it comes with all the amenities you need: integrated navigation system, remote engine start, heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. AutoWeek proclaims the Honda Civic got a new attitude. After dropping some weight, adding better materials to the interior, and improving fuel economy, the Civic demands even more attention than it already gets. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Contact Jim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.